This is Beef Birria Tacos, rich, juicy, and deeply flavorful. Today we create this iconic dish from scratch using slow-cooked beef and bold spices. Start by preparing dried chilies. Remove seeds and stems to balance the heat and flavor. Soak the chilies until soft, then blend with garlic, onion, spices, and vinegar to create a rich, aromatic marinade. Coat the beef generously with the chili marinade. Let the flavors fully absorb into the meat. Slow cook the beef until tender. As it simmers, the flavors deepen into a rich, savory broth. Once tender, shred the beef into juicy strands, ready to be transformed into tacos. Dip tortillas into the flavorful broth to absorb every drop of richness. Fill with shredded beef and cheese. Fry until crispy, golden, and perfectly sealed. Serve hot with rich birria broth for dipping. Crispy outside, juicy inside. This is Beef Birria Tacos.